Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing the base box unboxing for Boxycharm for the month of October. So if you guys are excited, then just keep on watching. Okay, so don't mind my background. If you can see it, I have it on live focus, so it should be a little bit blurred, but yeah, I'm back home from surgery and I haven't had a chance to clean up because I've been visiting my daughter in the hospital that they transferred her to. Quick update, she's doing a lot better with her sugars and stuff. She is still on all the machines that she has. Sorry, my incision is killing me. She's still on all the machines that she has been on, but they are slowly bringing down, you know, the numbers and the things that they are giving her, like, they're giving her like sugar water for her sugar to see if she maintains it and stuff, but they're slowly taking her off of these things and the oxygen mask as well. So she is doing so much better. So yeah, she should be home hopefully by tomorrow or Tuesday. If they tell me I could bring my daughter home tomorrow, I think I'm gonna cry. So let's get into the box. I already have a full face of makeup, so I'm probably not going to try anything most likely, but I am just going to be unboxing the products so you guys know what the variation is that I got and the products that I got in my box. Alright, so this is what it looks like when I open it. I got the card here. Alright, so it looks like the theme is Candy Shop for the month of October, so that's pretty cool. So the first product is from Murad, and it is a hydration product. It says it is a AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser, and this is what the product looks like, and this retails for $40, and it is quite big. It is like the size of my head. So yeah, you get 6.75 fluid ounces in here, and I'm probably gonna be able to use this tonight because I'm gonna need to take all this makeup off. Okay, also I'm probably gonna recreate this look. My boyfriend got me 2 ABH palettes for my birthday. One of the palettes was the Riviera palette and the other one was the Novena palette, so I created this look using the Riviera palette and I love it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will be recreating it. I tried filming it in my car while I was doing my makeup in the car because me and my boyfriend alternate visiting my daughter because we both can't be in the NICU at the same time apparently. So but I let him go first and I kill time and do my makeup in the car, and that seems to be working. And yeah, I tried filming it in the car and it just wasn't working. So yeah. So the next product that I got is from Ace Beauté. It says Dry Lip Liner. It says it's a lip liner duo set. This is what the box looks like. And this retails for $16. Oh, that's pretty cool. It comes with 2 lip liners. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It comes with 2 lip liners. I absolutely love the color of the packaging. It's like that light baby pink that I am obsessed with. So it comes with a brown and a red, as you can see. And I can do like a little swatch. So I'm going to swatch the brown one right here. They don't feel dry, which I can appreciate. I hate a dry lip liner. They're retractable, so I like that. And there's the red. So there's both of the lip liners swatched. They're really nice and creamy. They're not dry at all. And they're very pigmented. I'm really, really impressed. Ace Beauté never fails in Boxycharm, so I don't know what I was expecting. Next is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupa Q Lip Butter Tinted Lip Butter. It says Keep It Rio, which I'm assuming is the shade, and this retails for $20. That's pricey. And it looks like it's either a lipstick or a lip balm. And if it's a lip butter, if it's saying it's a lip butter on the box, I'm going to assume it's like a lip balmy formula. This is the packaging. Super cute. It's like rose gold. Oh, that smells so good. There's not really any color. I mean, it's maybe like a slight tint, but there's no real color. So I'm assuming it's like a lip balm, which I can't wait to use this. I'll probably throw this in my purse. So there's that. Next is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting BITCH face. I'm not going to say the word because I try to keep this family friendly, you know, appropriate. So this is what the palette looks like, and this retails for $32, and it is a face palette. So it does come with a mirror, nice sized mirror, and 6 shades. So I'm assuming these are 2 bronzer shades, or maybe these 2 are the bronzer shades, these 2 are the blush shades, and then these 2 are highlighters, because this is a bit shimmery. So I don't know. I'm just gonna assume that these 2 are bronzers, these 2 are highlighters, and these 2 are blushes. But they do look really pretty. I do have a full face of makeup, but if I could try something on in the video, why not? So I'm going to apply some of the shade called Sunkissed Snitch, which is the darker bronzer shade, because I feel like it faded a little bit, I guess. I don't know. And I'm taking the Morphe E4 brush. I'm just going to tap in there, and it's definitely picking up product. I think it is very subtle, really pretty still. So yeah, I like that. I could probably try one of the blushes on too. Why not? We're gonna try the Hush blush shade right here. I already have blush on, so it's probably not gonna be true to color, but let's just see using the same brush. Okay, the blush is pigmented. Yeah, so you definitely want to blend and tap off the excess, which I didn't, because I don't know, I forget how to do makeup apparently. I'm not gonna try the highlighter because I don't want to get up against yet another brush. So yeah, but I think the palette is pretty nice. Seems to be pretty pigmented. Stay tuned for a full face of makeup, new makeup, trying new makeup, something along the lines of that, since I'm not going to be trying this on, and I'm most likely not going to be doing the Boxycharm Premium in a try-on style, just unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then the last product in the box, which I'm super excited for, is from Tarte. This is the Maracuja Miracle Mist. It's a setting spray, and this product retails for $23. That's expensive. I'm hoping that it's like a mist, like the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, because that's what it looks like. So let's try it. I'm gonna shake it a little, and let's see. Oh, it is. I like that. And it smells really good. I like this. It is quite refreshing. And I don't even know why I sprayed it again, because I'm about to take my makeup off. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm not using a calculator or anything, the overall retail value for this box should be $131. I did the math looking at the little numbers here, which is not bad for what I got. I don't know how everything performs. I can say that the Morphe, I can say that the Tarte Mist is already a thumbs up for me. I love the mist. It is continuous, just like the Morphe one, which I can appreciate. And the face palette seems to be performing a little bit okay. I do want to see what the actual colors look like on the face, because I already have makeup on, so everything's a little jumbled up. As far as the other products, I didn't really get to try them because, again, I have a full face on already due to certain circumstances, as I said and mentioned in the beginning of the video. So yeah, stay tuned for a full face of new makeup, new products type of a thing. On that note, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought about what I got. Also, before I forget to mention, I got variation 38 right there. And yeah, now back to where I was at. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.